This tutorial shows you how to enter gift card codes and claim your Robux. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on More at the bottom right corner. Following that, scroll down to Help and Safety section. Now, tap on Help to access the Help Center. Moving forward, you'll be taken to the Roblox Help Center page. Afterwards, search for the keyword Redeem in the search bar. In addition to that, tap on the first link that appears in the search results. Once there, you'll see an article titled How to Redeem and Spend Your Gift Card. Subsequently, look for the red highlighted link that says roblox.com/redeem. Moreover, tap on that link to go directly to the redemption page. Alternatively, you can open your browser and type roblox.com/redeem manually. Once on the redemption page, enter your gift card code in the field provided. Then tap Redeem to claim your Robux. And that's it. If this Roblox code redemption guide helped you claim your rewards, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.